Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to connect HyperX Pulsefire Haste to wireless. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you're looking for a way to connect your HyperX Pulsefire here. And in this case, you're not sure how to exactly do that. Well, this one is very simple. There's actually two ways to do this. So we are actually referring to the startup guide here directly from HyperX. So usually with your Pulsefire Haste 2, you have like the actual components on it. So first you have your mouse. You also have a dongle on it. You also have the forward button as well as the following cord here. The first thing you want to do is you want to take this cord here and you want to go ahead and just plug it into your USB-C port here and just basically plug this in any power source. Now you just need to make sure that it has enough charge in order for you to start using it. Now in this case, just leave it like an hour or two before using it, but once it's fully charged, as you can see right now in this illustration, you could go ahead and basically start using it. Now there are two modes that you could use here. Now at the bottom of your mouse, you have the following three options. So you have Bluetooth, you have the off position, and the 2.4 G signal. Now the thing with this one is if you want to use your dongle, like what's included here, what you need to make sure is you want to make sure that you set this to 2.4 G. Now in this case, again, switch on your mouse, set this to 2.4G power mode, then from then on connect the wireless receiver to the wireless adapter, and then connect the wireless adapter to the PC using the included USB cable here. Now in this case, just make sure you're not too far from this one, so maximum range is to go around like 20 centimeter from the mouse. But yeah, so if that's how if you want to use the dongle. Now if you want to use the Bluetooth option here, you need to switch this to Bluetooth, and what you need to do is you want to go to Windows, just type in Bluetooth, open it up, and from here what we need to do is we just need to click on the option here that says add device. Now choose the option for Bluetooth, and from here just select your mouse here once you see it. Now once you see it, go ahead and click on it to pair this, and you should be able to start using it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.